Excellency. How are you? Nice to meet you again. Please take a seat.
Remember that in the first tranche of $2.2 million, and a lot of success stories have appeared in the media.
Today is a very special day, not only for the government of Fiji, but to the people. And this is the grassroots for whom this money is being given. And I understand that during the time when the Prime Minister of India visited Fiji, he made that commitment. And it's good to see that the commitment has been realized. And we are very grateful because we need to grow our economy, and nothing could be better than looking after the micro enterprises. And we know how much talents are there in India. We've seen how your economy has grown through this sector, and there's so much to learn from. So these are the initial interventions in this area, but we'd like to learn more in this area. So thank you for the financial assistance. It'll go a long way for our people, and we look forward to the continued support.